is dedicated to Degenerates Trip 2025. This is our third time. Quite a Rocky Mountains and Hello friends, welcome to the day 2 edition of Kelowna. So right now it is 6:20 in the morning and we are followed here by a beautiful misty sunrise right here. Nice misty sunrise. I think the sunrise is happening in the back. But yeah, this is the condition of the balcony. We all sat here yesterday and just played cards, smoked some hookah over there. Yeah, I woke up early in the morning because I'm sleeping right here in the living room, right over there in the sofa bed. We just ended up coming back from the swimming pool. We went to the hot tub as well. And after that, we just wanted to hang out in the cottage, in this beautiful cottage. And after that, yeah, we just kept drinking and playing drinking games with cards. And we just hung out. We just really had a good time. We all just hung out, 7 of us, and had barbecue. As you can see, it's ready to go for day 2 as well. Once people start waking up, we're gonna take a shower and then head over to the beach and just hang out in the beach. I guess we're coming back to the cottage and getting ready, and then it's clubbing night because it's Simran's birthday, which is Deepak's wife. Yeah, we're just gonna call it a night after that. Just go to the club and just enjoy ourselves. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so right now we are here parked and we're waiting for the guy to bring in our yacht. So the plan is we're going to be coming in. We got our liquor and all that stuff over here. So they have a barbecue on the yacht. They do have a bar on the yacht. So we're going to be drinking and we are going to drive our boat on this lake. Driving our yacht and just getting in the middle, parking the yacht in the middle of the lake and just getting down into it. Look at all the number of boats they have. So I'm really excited for this. They do have a bunch of pubs and bars here as well. So yeah, it's gonna be an amazing time. I can't wait for it. We're gonna be on the yacht just chilling, and I think a couple of guys also want to do parasailing. So I think they do have like a trio parasailing where we can just go parasailing and they bring you down into the water as well. So plan is we're gonna do that. So, oh yeah.
You should have pulled that.
Yeah, I slipped into the water. I went to the lake and I slipped into the water, and then Mr. Junior over here had to rescue me with a stick
because he couldn't learn the swimming lessons from yesterday.
I also recorded it.
All right, so this is our pontoon yacht, 26 foot, has a barbecue in there, has a bar in there, all leather couches. So we're gonna drive this all around the lake.
Oh wow. How much speed is this? 26.
Is it moving?
It's this thing goes at about 30 or 40 kilometers an hour. That's the top speed of this vehicle or this boat. Alright guys, so we're just getting off the dock right now. Going straight into the middle of the lake. We got music playing here. Surrender, thank you for vlogging. Because everyone's gonna get straight down.
It looks like this is a slow boat because it looks like a small engine. So this is all the way. Right? It's going forward, neutral, reverse. Yeah. I can see this. I guess it's cranking. The engine is cranking.
Yeah! Show me.
That's not nature.
Okay, but is he smart?
Woo! Yo, guys!
Are you in the water?
Yeah. Woo! Wait a minute, I have a life jacket on. Guys, so I don't know how to swim, but I just want to enjoy the Lake Okanagan because it's so beautiful. I have a life jacket on, so I'm just chilling. Not adventures, right? Like, you gotta do adventures. If you know me, if you know me, my friends, you know I'm about adventures. I'm in the water, look at this shit. I'm in the water, look at this.
No, but you're holding on to it, right?
Guys, I let go. I'm floating right now with a life jacket on.
Birthday girl!
And now get down. Now
Birthday girl did it! The birthday girl.
Although you have us two here, so you may be not that fine.
Yeah!
Surrender, what did you say about the water being wetter?
It's a joke. Not today, devil!
Selena, you a chicken shit.
Selena,
I'm gonna go ahead! Go ahead, mama!
Simran. Oh, Christine.
Do not let go of him!
No, what are you gonna used to it? We're gonna go home after this shit.
What do the non-swimmers do again?
Let me go.
I'm not letting you go! Look at him! I got you!
Yeah, Simran, look at this. It's chill.
Every motherfucking time that you wake up and you look in that motherfucking mirror. Pretty girls walk
Like this.
Look at that. Yo, Diva.
walk like this.
This! No!
I mean, to an eye.
Yo, Diva, look what I have. Diva, look at save me.
Wow! Abby, come on, let's go!
Let's go.
An hour, right?
Pretty girls walk like this.
Yo, don't
To this piece like got the money then. I came in with some dollars, I ain't come with them. It's fine.
Let's go, Abby!
Okay, show the vodka.
Let's go! More!
Not even cold.
All right, guys, so I just came back up. And it was awesome. I loved it. It was awesome. I was just right here in this middle of the lake.
No, I'm not even cold anymore. It's right outside.
Yo!
Mr. Cat. Yeah, I had a it was an awesome time on the lake. The lake is not too warm. It will be initially pretty cold, but after a while it gets like your body gets used to it. But it was awesome. I can't swim, but I was just kind of hanging around and just like, the friends came in and we just had a blast. We had a blast. So this is going to be a very memorable time for all of us.
Real ones. These are the real ones.
So me, this girl right here, Mr. Surrender. He's a champ, and then Miss Birthday Girl. So the four of us, and these, she was a chicken. She was a chicken. Oh, well, he's driving and stuff, so I'm not gonna say anything to him. And then here's a chicken. Here's a second chicken number 2.
He's not, okay?
I'm gonna take it.
Look at all those mountain goats. There's so many of them.
Oh my god.
So now we're going to the club. But before going to the club, we're going to be cutting Simran's cake. Simran is Deepak's wife's 30th birthday cake. And we are ready for this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Simran. Happy birthday to you.
Miss 30th birthday here?
Everybody, it's time for
Happy birthday. Happy birthday me. Happy birthday me. Happy birthday.
Deepak, look here.
Yeah.
Thank you. That got me really good.
I would know.
You carry it. I don't want to spill it. I'm too scared to spill it.
Oh, see? There you go. There you go.
There you go. Hey friends, so right now we are on a Saturday night heading over to La Bussola, which is this is the place we're coming for dinner. So it's an Italian restaurant. It's beautiful. It's very upscale, very classy. So right now we are in Kelowna downtown. And this is the restaurant we're in. La Bussola. They do have like an outdoor lounge, but we're sitting inside. So let's go in.
Move it along. I'm trying.
And this is our table.
This is it.
We got the whole crew over here, except like a couple people. Surinder and Deepak, I don't know where they disappeared.
Waiting for her to finish.
All right, let's show you the menu here. So here is the menu. Italian restaurant. It's gonna be a lot of like pasta, lasagna type food.
I love the Violet 75. That's my first favorite. I don't really like anything sweet.
Me neither. What's the Violet 75?
It is a gin. So it has Empress gin. It has that one's also
It's good. I
good?
love that.
What did you guys order for appetizer? Apparently the appetizer has already been ordered.
I have some
We
specials as
ordered
well.
oysters.
So I can let everyone know. Unless you're talking about okay.
Bruschetta
Bruschetta. Okay.
and 3 cheese tortellini.
Negroni is going to be very like
Perfect.
bitter and strong.
So that's what we order for appetizers. And once the food comes, I'll show you. If you like Italian food, I would highly recommend if you're in Kelowna, definitely come over here.
Go for a walk.
It was awesome.
Breathe it in. Oh, what?
So after this, we're gonna head over to.
Really good.
We're gonna be going bar hopping. We're gonna be going bar hopping, going to a bunch of places. Right now, it's almost 10 o'clock at night, and we're gonna be going bar hopping after this. So stay tuned. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. It's dedicated to Degenerates Trip 2025, 14% alcohol. So
Smells amazing.
very, very
Just a
good.
bubbly.
Awesome.
I don't know if I like carbonation or not.
Guys, like 1 in the morning, Deepak is passed out, and Christine over here wants to tape Deepak with duct tape.
That's Abby started it.
The plan is we're gonna go to the vineyards. So, like I said, Kelowna is very famous for the wineries, and a lot of the wine that are made here is imported all over the world. So that's where we're gonna go.